everybody. This is Wildfire.
Wow. Bring him here so everybody can see him. Wow. What element is he?
Fire.
Wow. Let's see Gusto now. Go get him out of the box.
Okay.
Pull him out of the back. Just kind of give him a twist. Need some help? There, now you got him. Get that box out of the way so we can see him. Move the box.
Get out of here, box.
There's Gusto.
And there's his buddy Wildfire.
Wow. Show everybody the free poster that GameStop gave us today.
I'll spread it out.
Look at that.
That came with it.
They gave it to us for free. Alright. We'll shoot a video next time we do an unboxing. So see you later, everybody.
See you later, everybody.
Get in front of the camera and wave. Skylander Kid, signing out.